Hey everybody, hope you did well on your absolute value and opposite quiz. So what I want to talk to you about again, this is like the second or third time I'm mentioning it, comparing and ordering integers. Okay, so I just wanted to give you a few examples just to refresh your brain so that you are able to do your practice accurately. Okay, so when we're comparing, remember in the number line, I have 0, I'm just going to do 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, -3. Okay, -3 and 2. Let's talk about that. Okay, which one is going to be greater? Well, I'd rather have $2 than owe someone $3, right? So -3 is less than 2. Let's say I had -4 and -1. So -4 would be over here, right? What's greater? Well, -1, because I'd rather owe someone $1 than -4 and then $4, right? So -4 is less than -1. Now, if you're going to order them, let's say I had, I don't know, -8, 2, 0, -4, and 3, right? So I want to order it from least to greatest. Now, you always want the biggest negative first. So like, what's the biggest negative? -8 or -4? Well, 8 is bigger than 4, so it's really -8 is smaller, right? I don't want to owe someone $8. Then -4, then 0, 2, and 3, okay? Notice how I'm kind of mostly trying to cross them out as I go, okay? Let's look at another example. If I had 10, -2, 6, -5, and 8. Okay, so again, least to greatest. So negatives come first when we're doing least to greatest because it's smaller. So which negative comes first though? It's actually going to be -5 because I don't want to owe anybody $5. Then it would be -2. Now I can get to having money. $6, $8, $10. Okay? And sometimes I'm going to throw in some absolute values. So if I had 4, -2, the absolute value of -3, 6, and -4, right? So first what you need to do is you need to find the absolute value. Absolute value is distance from 0, so that is going to be a 3 actually. So if you do that, you can cross that off. So now it's no longer -3, it's 3. So now I can put them in order, and I'm going to do my negatives first. It's -2 or -4 first. Now which one comes first? -4, then -2, then it's going to be 3, or the absolute value of 3, of -3, which is 3, right? That goes there because we've already found the absolute value, which is 3, but they're probably going to ask for it in this phase, 4 and 6. Okay, I hope you do well on your quizzes, and hope you have a great Thursday. Bye.